Stop.
It's my eyes. I need water. I need water. Oh. The whole kitchen will be covered in oil because we are using so much. Unbelievable. How much oil do you want to use? It's
One bottle.
Crazy. One bottle? No way. It's crazy. Bonjour, it is me, Chef Marvin, and today I'm cooking Indonesian for you. Okay, Tia is showing me how to cook Indonesian. You are the chef today. We are cooking bala-bala.
Bala-bala.
Okay, let's go.
Oke guys, jadi karena aku mau pulang ke Indonesia, aku harus ngajarin Marvin bikin bala-bala karena dia suka banget sama bala-bala katanya gitu. Jadi aku mau ngajarin dia.
I understood that.
Yeah.
You're showing me how to cook bala-bala? Because you're exactly, so I can do it over here. And the next time I'm coming to Indonesia, you will receive the best bala-bala ever because I will be cooking it every day from now on. Okay, Sam, how to start? What do we need? We have everything over here?
Start with this one. Carrot.
This one? Okay, carrots. I am going to take care of the carrots and you relax and watch me.
Yeah, I just watch you.
What do you need? Tiny squares?
Tiny.
Excuse me? Tiny.
Oh, this one.
Do you in Indonesia use that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you do? Okay. Right, but we are not needing anything like that. We just want tiny squares, right? Alright. Carrots. Tiny enough? Before I do anything wrong, how to cut it this
I
time?
will show you like this.
Okay, tiny cuts. Easy.
Yeah.
Easy. You say stop when there is enough.
Yeah.
More thin? Alright, next one, spicy stuff, right? Chabe.
Chabe.
I just learned that. Chabe, those were the most spicy ones I could find in the supermarket. For you guys, that's nothing. If I would eat them now, I will probably die in an instant. At least my stomach is dying. And I would have a lot of fun on the toilet. We are not going to do that. But cutting, fine. Both too?
One, just one.
Oh God, it's everywhere. It's my eyes. I need water. I need water. Oh God, oh, it hurts. It burns so much. Oh, I can't see where. What should I do with it? God, I need to go to the toilet. Okay, after that little incident, I would call it an accident. I understood.
Don't take with your hand.
Yeah, not again. I know, but now it's too late. I just cleaned it, and there was a lot of chili on it anyway. Yeah.
Okay, and white stuff, terigu.
Yeah. But let me wash my hands first, because otherwise my eyes are going to die again. Excuse me, what is next?
White stuff.
White stuff. Okay, Tia just told me the next step is to use a lot of flour. There are so many different kinds of flour. I have no clue what you are using in Indonesia.
Terigu.
Terigu,
Yeah.
but we have so many different kinds of. They all have numbers. I'm using this now because I believe in it. How much?
Yeah.
Together with carrots?
Yeah.
Say stop.
Yeah, I will say stop. More.
Okay, now MSG.
Yeah.
MSG for real gourmands. Okay. You all know that. I'm never cooking with it. Enough? Really? You sure?
Yeah.
And the rest of the Royco,
Yeah.
I know there's not much left. Did you bring it from Indonesia?
From Indonesia. I think I bring two.
Two?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Let me have a look. Maybe you have a second one.
Yeah.
Okay. We found a second one from Indonesia.
Yeah.
We have scissors for this. Okay, you say stop, okay?
Yeah.
We have something similar. We call it Brühwürfel.
Full.
Brühe. It has the same smell.
Okay, enough.
Enough?
Yeah.
It's a huge bunch.
Pepper.
Pepper. Pepper. You say stop.
Stop. And now, spoon.
Soon.
Spoon.
Spoon. We have one. Spoon.
Diaduk-aduk.
Aduk aduk.
Yeah. And I will bring water.
Aduk aduk.
Put water.
Yeah, put it inside. Okay, water.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
Now
putting
put
oil in the. I'm
Yeah.
putting oil in the pan, and actually, very soon
Yeah.
the whole kitchen will be covered in oil because we are using so much. Unbelievable! How much oil do you want to use? That's
One bottle.
crazy. One bottle? No way. That's crazy. Enough?
Okay, now.
Oh, holy crap. Alright, Sayanko, show me how to do it correctly. Ach, yeah. Okay, okay. Now I got it. Let me do it again. Boop. Okay. Now I got it.
More, Sam.
How? I'm careful this time. No worries. No worries. I will not hurt myself. They look good. Good. Okay, now.
Put in here.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and now next.
Next.
Alright, got it. Yes, Ayanku. While bala-bala is getting ready, I'm making chicken now. I have some onions, some garlic in here. And yeah, I will put my chicken afterwards in that one. Okay, we have boom boom, curry,
Curry.
Japanese curry, and I will put that in now. Be ready.
No,
Oh god,
sayang.
oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I did not know that. Why is it double? Why do you have two different ones? That doesn't make sense. Okay, this time for real, we will put in bam bam curry over here.
Careful.
Yes, I am. This one. Up. Chicken. Okay, we have habanero over here. I have to be really careful and afterwards wash my hand. I learned that. And we take some raiko again. I learned that raiko I put in everything. Come on.
Try, sayang.
Yeah, I will give it a try. Something's missing. That's not good yet. What's missing?
You remember the white stuff?
Oh, MSG?
Not MSG.
Flour.
Not flour. Cocoa?
Coconut?
Yeah.
Ah. Alright,
Yeah.
coconut milk?
Yeah.
You say stop.
Okay, stop.
Okay. Alright, the chicken is ready. Normally I'm using that one for noodles. Come on, little chicken, where are you? Aha, Chef Cook Marvin is here.
Thank
Bala-bala.
you, sayang.
And chicken.
Chicken.
Indonesian style with a lot of spiciness in here, so you like it.
Yeah.
Enjoy, sayang. It's your recipe. I understand it. And let's see if it tastes good. Let's see how good the bala-balas are. This is really, really tasty.
Tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Yummy.
Enough.
Without ice.
Should I put bala-bala in the sauce?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
I will take my share, thank you. Also with the sauce, good.
Enough.
Crispy enough for you? Good. Let's see if the chicken is also good. I'm eating with hand. Tia is eating like a normal person with a spoon and a fork. So. Yeah, I'm doing good. So next time I can do it alone. And like this, I will miss you a little bit less.
No. Okay guys, kita makan dulu.
Enjoy. And see you next time.
See you.
Oh